Writing professional slide text can sometimes be harder than designing the presentation itself. You need clear structure, clean wording, and content that looks professional without feeling overcrowded. But with Gamma AI, you can generate polished slide text in just minutes. So in this guide, I'll show you how to create professional slide text with Gamma AI step by step. First, open the Gamma AI website in your browser and sign in to your account. If you're new to the platform, create a free account to get started. Once you enter the dashboard, click the Create button and start a new presentation project. Now type a prompt explaining the type of presentation you want. So you should include the topic, audience, tone, and goals to help Gamma AI generate stronger slide text. And honestly, the best professional slides usually contain less text, not more. Simple wording and strong structure often look far more polished than overcrowded slides. And that's your full guide on how to create professional slide text with Gamma AI. Hopefully now you have a better understanding of how to generate cleaner, smarter, and more professional presentation content using AI.